G'day guys, this is Carl at AllBrand Caravans. What we're doing today is we're doing a service on this caravan, and basically we just want to run you through on what we do throughout our service. So as you can see in here, we touch base with pretty much basically nearly everything inside the van, from your lights to your aerial to your radio to your batteries. We test your batteries and we tell you if they're good or they're bad. Your windows, we lubricate your windows, we check your inner blinds, we check your hatches, we check your fans. We check your fridge on 12 volt, 240 and gas. And we check basically all your other appliances if you have a gas heater, your hot water system, your air conditioner. Just to touch base on the air conditioners, a quick tip is with these air conditioners, during our service, we pull these filters out, and as you can see with these filters, they're pretty much clogged up with a whole bunch of dust, as you can see here. And what we'll do is we'll just clean them out for you. We'll go outside and we'll blow them, or we'll wash them under some water just to get all that dust out, so then you can kind of breathe a bit easier. And the filter for the air conditioner can filter a lot more better in relation to that. So because when they get all clogged up, and then that's when your air conditioner isn't working to its full capacity basically. So I'll just leave them on there because I'll do them later. We check your pump to see if it's pressurizing, to see if there's any leaks. We check to see if your toilet's working, and basically we check all your taps and to see if your shower's working. So that's just the internal part of things. We also do an external part which goes into a bit more depth in relation to your bearings, your wheels, your hubs. Underneath your caravan, to check your chassis, to check to see if there's any breaks in your welds, your handbrake, and basically a lot more in relation to that. So that's just basically the tip of the iceberg in what we do. So our services are pretty in-depth services, and we normally like to take a lot of time in relation to making sure that everything's pretty much up to scratch, to make sure that you guys are getting the best service that you can possibly get. So if you have any comments, leave them in the comments below or give us a call. Thanks very much.